AI chatbots for customer service have been getting a lot of buzz lately, and especially with the rollout of ChatGPT and these other LLMs. Here at ZyraTalk, we work with thousands of customers. We've been automating conversations for people's websites for over 5 years now. And recently, we integrated GPT-4 into our system, and the power of the conversations is pretty insane. So, for this example, I wanted to walk through how we onboard a client and go through an example conversation for Zappos. They're not an actual client of ours, but it's a really good use case because they have a lot of FAQs on their website. So the first thing we need is just the URL of the company. We can use our AI onboarding. All we do is put the URL in there, and it's going to automatically populate the company overview. So this is the first training of the AI. It needs to know a little bit more about the company. That always helps. From there, we get into the About Us. This doesn't all need to be filled out. And for Zappos in particular, it's not even all applicable. So we do have the special offers here where we talk about Zappos VIP program. But for someone like a plumbing HVAC company where some of the jobs are tens of thousands of dollars, people ask about financing, people ask about hours of operation. So we've seen hundreds of thousands of conversations. So we know what people are asking. For Zappos scenario, probably not going to be asking about financing a $70 pair of shoes. Then we get into FAQs. So this is where it gets really interesting because we can add as many FAQs as we want to make the AI as intelligent as we want. I've got a bunch of FAQs added for just an example conversation that I wanted to walk through, but we can add a ton of different things here. And then the conversation goal, that's important as well. This is a pretty simple one. The main goal of the conversation is just to assist a customer during their shopping experience. If someone does want to talk to a live person, the customer can ask, and then we have a conversation flow for that. Ask the customer's name, and then let them know that an agent's going to jump in live once they review their needs. So let's go through an example conversation. Before I get into that, what it looks like on the website, you can see on Chaz Roberts, they're probably the biggest home service company here in Arizona. Everything is looking good with the colors, the logos, and we build everything for our clients. Even training the AI, you don't have to worry about a thing. We do it all. So let me just type something into the chat really quick. All right, so I just said I recently purchased a pair of shoes from you guys and I want to return them. So it said, I'm sorry, the purchase didn't work out. And then it's giving me instructions. To do a self-service return, just log into your Zappos account and choose the item or items you would like to return. So I'll say, do you have a link for me to log into my account? And then it should give me a link. Let's see what it says here. Yes, here's the link to sign into your Zappos account. And this definitely would work. And this would be clickable. So if it was the conversation directly on the website within our chat widget, it would be clickable, or we could have text that could be clickable as well. Let me know if you have any other questions or concerns. So I'll say, other than a return, can I exchange for something else? So let's see what it responds here. All right, yes, you have the option to exchange an eligible item instead of returning it for a refund. And again, you can do the self-service exchange in your Zappos account. If you're having any trouble with the exchange process, please let me know. So let me type something else in. All right, so I said, okay, cool. I bought a pair of New Balance shoes that didn't work out. I'm looking to buy some Nike or Adidas shoes that are under $100. Can you help me with that? So we could get very specific for a bunch of different inquiries. And as we're analyzing the data of our customers, we're seeing what people are asking. This is a very specific use case. So it says, here's a link for a selection of Nike and Adidas shoes that are under $100. So again, this is a filtered link. So definitely something we would want to do where we're shrinking that down specific to text where it's saying, hey, click here. And then it says you can also use the filters on the left-hand side of the page to narrow down your search results by size, color, style, all that good stuff. Let me know if you have any other questions. So this is specific Nike, Adidas shoes under $100. And you can just see that I could choose whatever I want and make a purchase. So let me go and type in one more thing here. All right, so I said, okay, cool. Do you have any deals on shirts that may match the shoes? So of course they don't know the shoes that I'm going to pick out, but let's see what the response is. Yes, here's a link to all men's shirts that are currently on sale. And again, you can use the filter, all that good stuff. So this is a link to the shirts that are on sale. So we could do it with all different links. Again, we can add a ton of FAQs to train the AI to be super intelligent. And just a bunch of shirts in here. They're all on sale, which is pretty cool. So anyway, this is how we train the AI and the power of the conversations. It can be extremely intelligent, and we can do this not only for Zappos or, like I said, home service or legal companies. We can do it for any company across the board. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, or you can reach out directly to us on our website. Thanks.